Importing goods into the United Kingdom is a complex process that involves navigating a maze of rules, regulations and tariffs set by customs authorities. Accuracy and compliance with customs requirements are essential for smooth operations and avoiding costly penalties. To ensure importers maintain control of their imports and stay in compliance with customs laws, it's imperative for them to audit their own customs entries, even if they're carried out by qualified customs professionals. At ESPAS, as a customs agent, we clear most consignments under direct representation. This means we're doing the customs entries in the name of and on behalf of the importing client. It's therefore the importer who is ultimately responsible and liable for any issues, problems or errors in the customs clearance process. HMRC has written to all customs agents in the UK acknowledging our vital role in the supply chain and how we as an industry can help improve our clients' customs compliance. When auditing, if any errors are found, the good news is HMRC are not looking to penalise those making any errors in a punitive way. They would like any errors identified and corrected and the correct amount of VAT and duty paid. This could of course mean that HMRC would credit you the VAT and duty too. In this episode of EspaceTV, we'll examine why it's important to develop your own customs auditing process. Importers can make mistakes when providing documentation and information to customs authorities. An audit allows for the identification and correction of errors before they lead to fines, delays, or even seizure of goods. Customs tariff classifications determine the duties and taxes applicable for imported goods. Auditing customs entries ensures that products are correctly classified, helping to prevent under- or overpayment of duties and taxes. Customs value is a crucial factor in determining import duties. Auditing customs entries helps to confirm the accuracy of the declared values, preventing under- or overvaluation issues that can lead to fines or delays. Importers must accurately declare the origin of their products to benefit from preferential free trade agreements and avoid the anti-dumping duties. Regular audits can help ensure that these rules of origin are correctly applied. As we've seen over the last 3 years, customs regulations are subject to frequent updates. Regular self-audits enable importers to stay informed about changes and adjust their practices accordingly, reducing the risk of non-compliance. Non-compliance with customs regulations can result in hefty penalties and fines. Auditing customs entries proactively can help identify and rectify issues, reducing the risks of penalties. Auditing customs entries can reveal inefficiencies or bottlenecks in the import process. By addressing these issues, importers can streamline their supply chain operations and reduce costs. Conducting internal customs audits fosters a culture of compliance within the organisation. Employees become more aware of customs regulations and are more likely to follow best practices. Complete and accurate documentation is vital for customs clearance. Self-auditing helps to identify missing and incomplete documents, preventing delays in the import process. Customs authorities value importers who take compliance seriously. Regular self-audits demonstrate a commitment to following the rules and can lead to smoother interactions with customs officials. As I mentioned earlier, HMRC would like to see any genuine mistakes identified and rectified. However, penalties from HMRC for customs non-compliance can vary widely depending on the severity of the violation and the value of the goods involved and whether compliance was deliberate or accidental. Penalties may include fines, interest charges, forfeiture of goods, suspension or revocation of customs authorisations, and even criminal prosecutions in cases of serious fraud. Importers are strongly encouraged to maintain strict compliance with customs regulations and seek professional advice when unsure about specific requirements to avoid penalties and legal consequences. In the complex world of international trade, importers must take a proactive approach to ensure compliance with customs regulations. Auditing customs entries is not just a recommended practice, it's an imperative one. By conducting regular self-audits, importers can avoid costly errors, maintain compliance, minimise risks, and build a more efficient and reliable supply chain. In doing so, they not only protect their bottom line, but also strengthen their reputation with customs authorities and partners in the global trade ecosystem. If you would like any help or advice on customs clearance, please do give us a call. As always, we're here to help.